Hello! Today I will show you how to fix the check operator services problem on small button phones such as Tecno, Itel, Nokia, or old Samsung phones. The check operator services message usually appears when the network is not available properly, the SIM card has a problem, or the network settings have changed.
Cannot be connected because you have made changes to your phone. Go to call settings and make sure the show my number ID or hide number is off all the time.
Before we continue, I ask you to take this opportunity to subscribe to this channel so you can get more tutorial videos like this. The first step is to press Menu. Go to the Calls folder, then go to Call Settings. Select SIM1, then Caller ID. Under Cell ID, choose Set by Network. Do the same for all SIM slots. After doing that, the next thing is to check if the problem has been solved. If this problem has been fixed, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Thanks!